Okay, this is a quick rundown on how to do protections in MCAU. So if you'd watched the shop video, you would have seen that, again, we made a bit of a mistake last time. You would have seen that I protected this shop, and you can check with string. I protected this shop when I made the building around it. But what I didn't do, and as you can see by someone up here who's changed the sign, I didn't protect the block in front of it. And those signs are actually in front of this, as you can see. And that's given anyone the ability to change the signs. I'll have to fix that this time. Sorry about that, I've got a bit of a cold. Okay, so let's pretend we're going to move this shop. First thing we want to do is remove the region. Let's go region, delete, J2. J2. You'll see that when I right-clicked on it with string, it told me the region name, J2. Region J2 removed. Now, when we right-click on it, it says there's no defined regions here. So, anyone can come through and change any of these blocks, not just the signs. So, what we need to do is grab our wooden pickaxe, which we get with the command / wand. Now, I've already got two. I'll get another one, just because. So, left click, select first position. Right click, select second position. Now, I'm just selecting the bottom because I'm going to expand. But you'll see up here I've already built some dirt going up to the top. So if I didn't want to mess around with expand, or I've got a very simple area that I want to protect, you can just come up here, right click on the top, and you'll see we now have a cube from here to here. So this block down here is the bottom left front, and this one up here is the top right back. And this defines a cube from here to here to here to here, down along the bottom. It's a bit silly. So those 2 points define a cube. You know, there's nothing difficult about this. This is basic three-dimensional stuff. So with that cube that we've defined, we can now claim it. Region, claim, ABC. Region saved as ABC. And you'll see that this is now all protected. Click on it with the string, tells you it's protected. However, as I said at the beginning, I didn't protect in front of this building. So this here is not protected. So that means I've done a little bit of a mistake. Region, delete, ABC. Region removed. And it's all done. Let's be a little bit more sensible about this time. And we'll use the expand command now too. You'll notice that didn't actually say first position set because that was already the first position. So it didn't update at all. I can change it, but once you've already selected the first position, it won't tell you what it is again. Let's expand this a touch. So at the moment, I've just selected these two front blocks here. I'm sorry about all this chat that's going past, but as you can see, the server's a little bit busy at the moment. I'm doing this at a reasonably busy time. It's about 5 o'clock on a Saturday afternoon, so there are lots of people on. So, as I was saying, I've selected these two blocks on the front here, and if I was to define this region, it would only be these blocks along the front. There'd be nothing else there. But I actually want to make it go up to there, and we can do this just using the expand command. And when you use the expand command without a direction, it just expands in the direction you're facing. So if I want to expand this in 7 blocks this way, now I know it's 7 blocks because I've already counted it, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll see that that's 7 blocks I've expanded that way. That's now taken this line that we had along the front and expanded both points backwards. So we now have the entire bottom of our shop protected. We also want to expand it up. Now you can just look up if you want and go expand 10, and that has now expanded it up 10 blocks. And you can do the same thing. You can look down and go expand 10, or you can just look wherever you want and go expand 3 down, and that's moved it down 3 blocks. So at the moment we are protected 3 blocks down from here and 10 blocks above from here, but we still have a bit of a problem with this sign. So luckily enough, I haven't protected these gravel pathways here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand 1 block this way. So if I look this way and go expand 1, this has expanded the entire selection. You'll see it was 112 blocks because it goes 3 blocks below ground to 10 blocks above here, and I've expanded it 1 block this way. So these blocks here will all be marked as this region. And if we go region define ABC again, oops, it's region claim ABC, you will see that this is now protected, but this one isn't, because we only expanded 1 block forward from here. So this is actually protected 3 blocks down. So we selected this block here on the corner, so 3 blocks underneath there, and I'll just prove this to you. A little bit of digging, dig, dig, dig. So this is the first block here, that's protected. The one we're standing on is protected. And this is the third block that's protected. But the 4th block down is not protected. So people can come in and claim stuff. Yeah, if they want to mine, they can come through and claim stuff underneath here. But I'll just fill this back up so people can't tunnel in under the house and come in. That's pretty much it. It's very simple. If you have any questions, ask on IRC or Mumble, or try to avoid using chat, because as you can see, it does get pretty busy. Thanks very much.